कांय पर्यटक गोंयांत येवन गोंयच्या सैमीक सुंदरतायेन घाण निर्माण करता. सगळेच पर्यटक वायट नासता, मात कांय पर्यटकांक लागून ही घाण निर्माण जाता. हाचेर गंभीर लक्ष घालपाची गरज आसा म्हण नगर नियोजन मंत्री विजय सरदेसाय उलयला. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
What I've spoken yesterday reflects the sentiments of the people of Goa. The people of Goa are disgusted with a few tourists who come and use Goa as a dumping ground and who create nuisance. There are several instances, one of which is a video which has gone viral of a tourist urinating from the bus on one of Goa's most popular and well done roads, the Miramar Donapal road. So what I am speaking for is I am speaking for Goa. People of Goa believe that a small section of the tourists, of the 6.5 million tourists who have come to Goa in the past, have created the biggest nuisance. These people have no civic sense, and they are the ones creating the maximum garbage and maximum nuisance in Goa. So there is a general feeling amongst the people of Goa that we need to reorient our tourism to what it was before. Goa's model of development is about low density, high cost. Is about not about quantity, it is about quality. And I am speaking for the people of Goa. We may be sushagad, we may be laid back, but we won't be laid back about this. I cannot be apologetic about this. I speak for the people of Goa. I am willing to bail the cat. My party is willing to bail the cat. We want to retain the unique identity of Goa when it comes to architecture, when it comes to our ethos, when it comes to tolerance. But at the same time, we don't want to develop Goa in a way that it is only about numbers and not about quality. It cannot be only about quantity, it has to be about quality. So what I have spoken, I have not called every one of these 6.5 million tourists as the scum of the earth, but I have said that a certain section of them who are creating nuisance are actually the scum of the earth, and we need to not have such tourists in Goa. We'll have to create ways and means of trying to see that quality tourists, quality high-end tourists come to Goa, and by which the people of Goa benefit. Even the tourism sector is now taken over by everyone. Goa is now looking at a scenario. 50 years ago, somebody wanted to merge us with Maharashtra. Now we are fearful of a scenario where we are being gobbled up from within. And we will naturally have to espouse these sentiments. We are a regionalistic party which is espousing these sentiments. I am not apologetic about it. But this is not about xenophobia. This is about speaking for what the Goans believe and what the Goans feel. And I think I don't have to be shamed, or I don't have to be shy about speaking the truth.